Hello guys, welcome back to Tactics Tutorial. In today's video, I would like to show to you guys how to make an e-commerce website on Shopify. So as you can see right now, we're currently in Shopify and our goal for today is to be able to use Shopify to create an e-commerce store. Now, e-commerce store has the purpose of selling different products into your store. So Shopify allows us to create that very exact example that I have made where we will be able to sell different types of product in Shopify. So Shopify is an e-commerce in itself. So we could create our very own unique store in Shopify by using its different features. And we could also have our own unique way of selling our different products. So among the different features of Shopify that helps it become e-commerce, or that allows us to use it as an e-commerce, is the product section over here on the left side. Of course, that includes the orders, customers, and other options or other features. But the main thing is products. Because in an e-commerce store, it's a store. You are selling different types of products. So whether it's digital product, actual product, clothes, shoes, bags, or as long as it's an item that you're selling online, whatever your platform is, that is an e-commerce platform. And as you can see here, we are able to add products. I have added random products over here, testing products, just playing around with the product system or the product feature of Shopify. We could easily add a product by clicking on add product over here on the top right. And in this page, we will be able to enter the title, the description, the media, pricing, inventory, and other important information regarding the product that you might want to sell. Now, this is manually adding a product that you are selling. Now, this might be perfect for those who have their own business, like they have their own small live business in real life and they want to transition or add into their sales channel an online store. They could add their individual products in this section over here, allowing them to be able to sell on an online platform. Now, if you're someone who doesn't have a store and you want to do some sort of a different approach in the e-commerce thing, wherein you approach it with a dropshipping mindset, that is something you are also able to do in Shopify through the help of apps. As you can see here on the bottom left, you have an app section. If you select that, we will be redirected over here on the top. And if you click on all recommended apps, we will see this pop up over here. Now, these are the currently featured apps. And basically what apps does is that it adds a feature into your Shopify. So you could imagine that Shopify in itself is a vanilla version without mods, without additional features. And if you use the App Store, you will be able to add all sorts of features, all sorts of functionalities, all sorts of connection into your Shopify store. And one example are dropshipping and print on demand. As you can see here, like Printify, you will be able to set up a Printify connection or a print on demand connection between your Shopify store. And you can also do dropshipping. As you can see here, we have CJ dropshipping as an example. There are multiple apps over here. So if you search dropshipping, for example, there are multiple apps that would allow us to do just that, as you can see over here. So let's wait for it to load. There we go. There's over 556 apps that would allow us to do drop shipping, as you can see here. Now going back in Shopify, so aside from adding products, we will be able to, of course, manage our inventory, our orders, our transfers, gift cards. We have our customers, orders that I mentioned earlier at the start, and we can also customize our store. Of course, as an e-commerce store or as a person creating a store, we would like to be able to customize the appearance or how our store works. So under online store, we have our themes over here. So the themes is basically the appearance of your website. Now, currently, I'm using the default theme, which is Dawn. But there are multiple popular free themes over here that you guys could check out to change the appearance of your e-commerce store, as you can see here. You could preview them and view them however you like. There are also paid templates that you guys could pay for if you want to pay, but there are also free templates that you guys could use. But anyway, we're going to settle with our current theme. And if you click on customize over here, we will be redirected to another page where, of course, we will be able to modify our website. So over here on the left side, you have your different categories or different sections. We have our header, template, and footer over here. So you will be able to change the different appearance or the different things that are being found in the header, template, and footer. The template is basically the body of your website, where we will be able to change what appears inside of our store. So currently, this is our store. Very simple, nothing inside yet. And over here, we could easily click on add section, which would allow us to add all sorts of section over here. So for example, I want to add like a collage. So if I click on add collage, the collage will appear over here, and I could simply select and modify what would appear in this collage over here. As you can see, I could change the image of this one. I could select a specific product to be displayed beside this collage. As you can see here, maybe a blazer. And vice versa, you can do the same thing with the other option over here as well. This one is for collection. I also have a collection over here. There we go. And you could play around with the different settings. All of the sections available for us is for the sole purpose of promoting your store or promoting your product, or you could use it however you want, but the main purpose of these different sections are for a store. Now, Shopify is one of the best platforms to set up a store right now because of all the apps it offers and the versatility that you will be able to do with it, and all the connection that you will be able to do with major platforms as well, like Amazon and TikTok and all of those platforms. You're also able to connect it to your Shopify store. So that's really great. Another great thing about Shopify store is that you are able to get a plan very cheaply on your first time. As you can see here, if you view our plan, as you can see, any version from basic to advanced, we will be able to get it for $1 USD on our first month, as you can see, which is really great. And it has a lot of features available for us, so you guys could choose to do that as well. Now, you can take advantage of all these different features to set up the best e-commerce platform that you guys could think of. Shopify is built to become a store. Shopify is built to help you create your own unique store and unique e-commerce store. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.